Define true, if not defined, causes syntax error. I have found the following construct today in someone else's code. As I understand this, it defines true and false if they are not defined already. So if they are defined, it shouldn't throw the name error exception, right? I have tried this for myself in the shell and it shows me, syntax error column can't assign a keyword. My question is, why does it even show the syntax error if true and false are defined? If true and false are available on my system, shouldn't it just go past the exception handling and not show a syntax error?
This code is written for Python 2.x and won't work on Python 3.x, in which true and false are true keywords. Since true and false are keywords in Python 3, you'll get a syntax error which you cannot catch. This code exists because of very old versions of Python. In Python 2.2, released in 2001, true and false did not exist as predefined names, so this code would provide compatible definitions so that later code could simply use true and false. When converting your Python 2.x code to Python 3.x, remove these lines. They are historical and have no use in Python 3.x. If you see these lines in someone else's code, they are a sure sign that the program was not written or ported for Python 3.
Syntax error shows up during the byte compilation stage, before the code is ever run, so you can't get around it with try/except.
The Boolean type was introduced in Python 2.3, this URL. So that piece of code was for old version of Python, for example 2.3 plus to support very old version of Python, i.e. prior to 2.3.